Hello, boxing enthusiasts! Today, we're introducing boxing, one of the most captivating and strategic branches of combat sports. Are you ready? Let's delve into the intricacies of each punch in boxing. Boxing is the most prestigious and exciting branch of combat sports. What sets it apart from other combat sports is the use of only the hands and the importance of close-range combat. Boxing gloves are used to protect fighters' hands and prevent injuries. These gloves are typically made of leather or synthetic materials with padding. Additionally, boxing bags, speed bags, and other training equipment help boxers improve their techniques. It's crucial for boxers to prepare for matches. Strength and endurance training, flexibility exercises, and conditioning workouts enhance boxers' performance. Training allows boxers to prepare physically and mentally for matches. A boxing match usually consists of 10-12 rounds, with each round lasting approximately 3 minutes. Between rounds, boxers go to their corners and receive a 1-minute rest period. The match ends with a referee's decision or a knockout. Basic boxing techniques include jabs, crosses, hooks, and defensive moves. Footwork, positioning, and movement strategies on the field are also crucial. Different techniques and strategies determine the success of boxers in the ring. Boxing matches are conducted according to specific rules, and referees maintain the match's order. Understanding how matches are scored, how referee decisions are made, and the rules that lead to match stoppages is essential. Boxing matches typically take place inside a boxing ring. A standard boxing ring covers an area of approximately 6.1 meters and is usually surrounded by 3 or 4 ropes. In boxing history, there are legendary figures like Mike Tyson. Tyson is known for his powerful punches and speed, and he has won numerous titles throughout his career. That wraps up the fundamental information and exciting world of boxing. What sport should we introduce in our next video? Don't forget to share your ideas in the comments. Until next time.